Mindful eating. The science behind conscious consumption. The modern food environment is designed to encourage overeating. With highly processed foods engineered to be hyper-palatable, it becomes incredibly difficult to recognize when we are full. Mindful eating is an approach that incorporates awareness, focus, and emotional intelligence when consuming food. Scientific research supports that practicing mindfulness during meals enhances satiety, reduces impulsive eating, and increases the enjoyment of food. Studies from Harvard and the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggest that mindful eaters consume fewer calories without feeling deprived. Different age groups experience mindful eating uniquely. For children, developing mindful eating habits early leads to better long-term health. Studies show that children who eat slowly and chew thoroughly tend to have healthier body weights. Teenagers, often exposed to social eating pressures, benefit from mindfulness by learning to differentiate between emotional hunger and physical hunger. Adults, particularly those with demanding schedules, frequently eat distractedly, leading to excessive calorie intake. Teaching adults how to slow down and truly savor each bite reduces their overall food consumption. Seniors, who often deal with changing metabolism and appetite loss, can use mindful eating to maintain nutritional balance and prevent overeating during specific times when they feel particularly hungry. The role of protein and fiber in natural appetite control. Nutritional science has proven that protein and fiber play a pivotal role in controlling hunger. The gut-brain axis, a biochemical signaling pathway, is significantly influenced by protein and fiber intake. Studies from institutions like the National Institutes of Health confirm that high-protein meals lead to increased levels of peptide YY, a hormone that promotes satiety. Fiber, particularly soluble fiber, slows digestion and increases the time food remains in the stomach, making one feel full for longer. The effects of protein and fiber intake vary with age. Children require sufficient protein for growth, but excessive fiber intake without adequate hydration can lead to digestive discomfort. Teenagers, often consuming high sugar and low protein diets, benefit significantly from prioritizing protein-rich foods like lean meats, legumes, and dairy. Adults managing weight can strategically increase their protein and fiber intake to prevent unnecessary snacking and binge eating. For seniors, fiber is essential to maintain gut health and prevent constipation, but too much protein without proper hydration can lead to kidney strain. Balancing these macronutrients per individual dietary needs optimizes appetite control across all life stages. Hydration. The overlooked key to preventing overeating. The sensation of thirst is often mistaken for hunger. Research from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism reveals that drinking water before meals reduces calorie intake. Water not only fills the stomach temporarily but also enhances metabolic function. Dehydration impairs the brain's ability to distinguish between hunger and thirst, leading to excessive calorie consumption. Age-related hydration needs vary significantly. Children, especially those engaged in physical activities, often neglect hydration, confusing thirst with cravings for sugary snacks. Teaching them to drink water regularly curbs unnecessary eating. Teenagers benefit from proper hydration as it aids digestion, supports cognitive function, and reduces mindless snacking. Adults, particularly those consuming caffeinated beverages, often forget to maintain adequate hydration levels, leading to increased food cravings. Seniors are at the highest risk of dehydration due to a weakened thirst mechanism. Encouraging regular water intake helps prevent overeating and maintains optimal health in aging individuals. The psychology of plate size and food presentation. Cognitive biases influence eating behavior in profound ways. Research from Cornell University's Food and Brand Lab shows that using smaller plates can significantly reduce food intake without people feeling deprived. The Delboeuf illusion, a psychological phenomenon, makes food portions appear smaller on larger plates, leading to overeating. The impact of plate size and food presentation varies across different demographics. Children respond well to colorful, well-organized meals in smaller portions. When served appropriate portion sizes, they naturally regulate their food intake better. Teenagers, who often consume meals with friends or on the go, can be influenced by food presentation and packaging. For adults, strategic portion control using smaller plates and bowls prevents excessive calorie intake. Seniors, who may have a reduced appetite, should focus on nutrient-dense food arrangements that stimulate hunger while preventing overconsumption of empty calories. The effect of sleep and stress on overeating. Sleep deprivation and chronic stress are among the leading causes of overeating. Research from the University of Chicago and Stanford Medicine demonstrates that insufficient sleep leads to increased ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and decreased leptin, the satiety hormone, making individuals crave high-calorie foods. Stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that encourages fat storage and stimulates the desire for sugary and fatty foods. The impact of sleep and stress on eating habits changes with age. Children require at least 9 to 12 hours of sleep for proper growth and metabolism regulation. When sleep deprived, they are more likely to crave unhealthy snacks. Teenagers, often juggling academic and social stress, tend to binge eat or rely on convenience foods. Adults, dealing with career and family responsibilities, frequently develop stress-related eating habits that contribute to weight gain. Seniors, who may experience fragmented sleep patterns, sometimes eat at irregular hours, leading to metabolic imbalances. Conclusion: overeating is a multifaceted issue influenced by physiological, psychological, and environmental factors. Scientific research underscores the importance of mindful eating, protein and fiber consumption, proper hydration, strategic plate sizing, and adequate sleep in preventing excessive calorie intake. These principles apply differently across age groups, making it crucial to tailor strategies according to individual needs. Developing lifelong habits that promote awareness, satiety, and emotional intelligence around food helps prevent overeating naturally. While food is meant to be enjoyed, understanding how the body responds to various eating patterns empowers individuals to make healthier choices. Implementing these strategies not only prevents weight gain but also fosters overall well-being, enhancing quality of life across all generations.